Are you looking for ways to earn some extra cash in your free time? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to make an extra income using a free app. Learn how to use it to find simple tasks that pay you for completing them and start making more money today. Discover why thousands of people have been using this app successfully and start earning extra cash in your spare time. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. You can easily earn extra cash without having to leave the comfort of your home. You can use this app to take on tasks such as completing surveys, watching videos, and even playing games. This app is perfect for anyone who wants to make some extra money in their spare time without having to invest much effort or money. It is called Survey Pirate. Survey Pirate is a GPT app and a fun way to earn extra cash and rewards. Earn cash rewards and gift cards by completing simple tasks with only a few taps. It's really simple. Install Survey Pirate from the Play Store, then log in using Facebook or Google. Earn coins by watching videos, answering surveys, and trying out apps. Coins are the in-app currency, point system, representing the user's earnings. You earn coins by completing offers, small tasks, from the offers page. When the user accumulates a certain amount of coins, they can be redeemed for real-life cash or gift cards. The primary objective of the user is to accumulate the greatest amount of coins in order to redeem items from the rewards page. Some tasks pay as little as 50 cents worth of coins, while others pay as high as $20. The offer's availability depends on many factors. The biggest factor is the user's physical location. Offers availability varies substantially from one country to another. It all depends on what countries the advertisers are targeting. In addition to that, users on older devices have access to fewer offers since many advertisers target only the newest operating systems. To maximize offers availability, make sure to install any major system updates available for your device. Keep in mind that the quantity of offers available fluctuates from time to time depending on the advertiser's budgets and schedules. To maximize your earnings, make sure to check back at least once a day. The time of year also plays an important role. Check in regularly so you don't miss any good offers. You will even get rewarded free coins for daily check-ins, regardless of whether or not you complete any tasks. Once you accumulate enough coins, redeem them for PayPal Cash or a gift card of your choice. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.